बच गया, अभी तेल फैल जाता।
How does the price per
अब सही
unit
है।
impact the number of units sold? If I rephrase it, what is the relationship? What is the relationship between price per unit and
चला
number of
रही
units?
अपने
Price per unit and number of units.
शिवांगी सॉन्ग
What plot are we going to utilize for this, folks? Histogram? No, 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 no.
तो
Not histogram.
सब्सक्राइब कहाँ है?
Think a bit
इसी में
more.
तो हमारे सब्सक्राइब है ज़्यादा।
मम्मी
मम्मी, हाँ शायद
मम्मी को अनसब्सक्राइब कर दिया।
हाँ कर तो दिया था।
Correct answer. Good. You remember we saw scatter plot, petal length, petal width. So now scatter number of units and price per unit. So price per unit and number of units. You will see a relationship between them. So make a scatter plot out of it and tell me what is the relation. What do you observe as a relation? Make a scatter plot.
यूनिट
इसका तो इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा,
इसका
इसमें तो
कोई
बोल
इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा।
हाँ?
नहीं। What is the relationship?
Scatter plot. And down to my last coxel, right? And we have 15 minutes in the session left. So I hope this coxel lasts for 15 minutes in my mouth. Okay. One coxel and 15 minutes of other.
Per unit
Okay.
And number of unit.
Correct? No worries. I have not explained yet. The question is the price per unit. You remember in our data set there was one column price per unit. एक कोका कोला का कैन कितने का है? $0.5 और कितने कोका कोला के कैन बिके? 12,000. तो क्या इन दोनों के बीच में कोई रिलेशनशिप है?
बिल्कुल होगा।
या नहीं? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. क्या प्राइस पर यूनिट और यूनिट सोल्ड के बीच कोई रिलेशनशिप है या? रिमेंबर जैसे हम पेटल लेंथ और पेटल विड्थ के बीच रिलेशनशिप देख रहे थे, कौन से प्लॉट से देख रहे थे करण? स्कैटर प्लॉट से. सो यहाँ भी हमें स्कैटर प्लॉट से इन दोनों के बीच का रिलेशनशिप है. ओके. ओके करण, ग्रेट. सो बनाओ स्कैटर प्लॉट बनाओ.
हेलो
Done?
No.
Everybody made the scatter plot still done.
नहीं,
Take
अभी
2
नहीं
more
बनाया
minutes.
है scatter
एक
plot.
लोग हैं उन्हें लाइक किया।
Take 2 more
हेलो,
minutes.
लाइक करने वाले प्लीज कुछ कमेंट करो।
4 minutes.
रितेश भैया आ गए का?
Everybody make the scatter plot.
हेलो 14 लोग आपके हैं, आपके में 14
Done?
हेलो
Great.
2 लाइक हमारे में कौन है?
Great.
ARG गेमर, हेलो 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 जी, कैसे हैं? राज के फैक्ट्स आज तो भाई साहब की खिंचाई की जा रही है। हेलो 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 हेलो।
हाँ सब बढ़िया है भैया।
Okay. Great, Dimple. People have also started to give the answer.
खिंचाई नहीं हो रही भाई।
इनने क्या कहा? हाय बोल।
Right. It's not that difficult. You have to do this one on your own. It requires
ठीक
nothing.
हूँ, आप
Just a
कैसे
simple
हैं?
step. Sandeep, for 12 more minutes. 12 more minutes. Till 10 was the time. Okay?
कहाँ पे रहते हैं बताता
12.
हम भैया जी हरदोई में रहते हैं अपने घर में।
Okay, Eunice, that's a correct observation.
अपने घर में
2
रहते
more
हैं
minutes, folks. Please make the scatter plot, everybody. Then I will make it, and we will discuss what is the
हरदोई में
relationship. Okay?
कौन है
आई लव यू इंडिया, मी टू। हम लोग क्या
2 more
हेलो
minutes.
ब्रो कहाँ से हो मैं हरदोई से हूँ
ARG गेमर आप जिन से हैं भैया? हमारे में भी कोई कोई टाइप कर दो भैया जी।
नहीं आते
Make the scatter plot quickly, and at the last we will make one very very interesting visualization called as the correlation matrix, or called as the heat map.
से एडवर्ड
You might not have heard about it before, but it's a very very powerful visualization
एडवर्ड इज
that
द
we are going to
किंग।
create at
व्हाई
next. Okay?
एंड फ्रॉम वेयर? आई डोंट नो एडवर्ड। I know Krishna. Krishna is king.
1 more minute.
Okay, you're a big man. That's good. So be a man.
1 more minute. 30 more seconds. All right.
Fan.
Let us make it. So very simple code.
So you are a big
Simplest of the
fan of Edward.
code. SNS dot scatter plot. What did I do?
दिख नहीं रहा ना?
Yeah. One way we saw AX dot scatter. Now I'm telling
Can you
you
type
another
something in
SNS dot-
English?
What am I typing?
Do you know English?
One second.
Devron? Devron?
Yeah. SNS dot scatter plot.
हमारे में क्या
What do I want on the x-axis? On the x-axis
Voila.
I am taking price per
Hello.
unit, okay. And on the y-axis I am taking units.
हमारे में क्या
I meant no of you.
Now don't worry that I am
So
utilizing
you are
a
my
good
big
type
fan.
of code for creating the scatter plots. Earlier you told different.
Hello.
So different ways. I am just giving you
Hello
all of
Devron.
this notebook will be shared with you so that you are familiar with all the ways. You can choose one, but you should be familiar with all. That is why I keep writing it in different forms so that you get to know about all of it.
तुम्हारा चावल
SNS dot scatter plot. Let me add the
उसी
title
दिन
also.
से ना बाहर से
So title is simply price per unit. Title is price versus unit sold.
Muffles.
Right? Price versus unit sold. What is on the x-axis?
हाय
X label is price per unit. What is the y
हिंद
label?
Gen.
GLT dot y label.
Hi. Gen.
Units.
हिंद
Hind.
And let us also see the
Hind.
हिंद
Do you know Hindi also, Devron?
and we have our scatter plot in front of us.
The girl
So
said
we
hello.
can kind
Do
of
10
make out
push-ups.
some relationship that
In the morning, bhai.
first of all
In the morning.
that if the price per unit is high,
I dare you.
the sales is a bit lower.
Okay,
right?
no problem. But
If the
I can
price per
do
unit
it
is
in
high,
the morning,
the sales
not
is a
in the
bit lower.
evening. This
You
is
can
the
see
evening
there are many
time.
more sales here.
Or it's
in
around
the lower range,
10
0.2,
p.m.
0.4,
in India.
0.6. सस्ता माल ज़्यादा बिक रहा है compared to these higher selling. So that is also expected, right? The Mercedes or Ferrari gets sold only once in 1 month. Well, not Mercedes, but at least Ferrari gets sold only once. But for example, a simple Wagoner or a Swift
Good.
car, it gets sold very frequently. So the higher costing item gets sold slowly compared to the lower costing item which gets sold very
हमारा
fast.
अलग ही है।
Okay, so that is a clear cut relationship
Romeo.
there.
चलता है
Okay.
Right? The scatter plot helps us to discuss. Everybody clear with the scatter plot? 0.7, 0.54 and so on.
अब हमारे करो
If the number is plus 1,
You put a song.
that means both the things move
No, no,
together
no, no.
with each other.
Not song, but
With
it's
each
a
other,
ringtone of
both
my
move
phone.
together. Very together. Very together. Right?
Just a second
If
ago,
the
my
number
mom
is zero,
called me.
that means both the things do not move together. If one moves up, the
अब
other
ये निकल गया, ये
does
कैसे
not move
बनाया
together.
इनने?
If the number is negative 1,
तो पे फोन
if one of the things moves up, the other moves down.
के सच भी
The other
ये सच
moves
तो नहीं होता
नहीं.
So this tells you the co-relation. Co means between
वो
two
रितेश
people.
है ना?
Co between you
रितेश
and
ना
me.
जाने
Co
जो मर्जी है
relation.
बताए.
What is the relation between two things? It is represented by a single number.
अभी देखना,
If
अभी
it is plus
थोड़ी
1,
देर में
that
अभी
means
उसका
both move together.
सौरभ का आ
If it is
जाएगा
negative 1,
वीडियो पढ़
that
के.
means both move in opposite
सौरभ
direction.
जोशी
One moves up, the other moves.
वीडियो उसका पढ़
And if it
जाएगा.
is 0, that means both are not affected
वो डेली
by each
डालता है
other.
अपना.
If one moves up, the other moves anyway.
हम तो अभी डाल चुके
Right?
हैं एक
If it is 0.5,
तुम डाल
that
चुकी
means
हो.
if
चलो
one
हम
moves
लोग
up,
छोटे छोटे हैं
the
यूट्यूब
other
में.
moves up.
सौरभ जोशी
But
बहुत बड़ा नाम है यूट्यूब में.
if it is negative 0.5, that means if one moves up, the other moves down but slow. So you just have to remember plus 1, both move together. Negative 1, both move in opposite direction. 0 does not matter. If one moves up, nothing happens to the other. 0.5, one moves up, other moves a little bit up. Negative 5, negative 0.5, one moves down, other moves a little bit up. Take a deep breath. Think about all of these numbers. These represent the correlation. Don't worry about the graph form. Just tell me, are you clear with these numbers? What is the meaning of plus 1? Both move together. Up or down, but together. Negative 1, both move in opposite direction. One goes up, other goes down. 0, nothing. No relation. Nipunika, I am repeating. These numbers tell you the correlation. Co-relation. Co means between you and me. Relation is a relation.
Hello.
So if the correlation is plus 1,
Good evening,
it
guys.
means I go up, you go up. Together means negative 1. If I go up, you go in the opposite direction. If one goes up, other goes down. Negative 1. Opposite direction. If I go left, you go right. 0 doesn't matter. I go somewhere, you do not go anywhere. No relation. So this is what is the meaning of correlation. If it is plus 1, we both move up, both move down together. Negative 1, opposite directions. 0, nothing. So what will 0.5 mean? A little bit together. Negative 0.5 mean a little bit opposite. Now is it clear to everybody? Are these numbers clear? Everybody, quickly tell me. These numbers only, not the graph. Numbers. So now let us look here in the graph.
पूरे
Let us focus on this
10
number.
बजे तक चला
Only on this number, don't look at the others.
फिर
Only
दूसरे
on
वाले
this number.
शिवंगी शर्मा से
थोड़ा गर्दन
If
दबा.
the price per
चैनल
unit
बंद
goes
कर
up, if the price per unit
चैनल
goes
नहीं
up,
बंद होंगे यार.
does the price per unit go up?
अच्छा ये बात चैनल बंद हो रहे होते.
If the price per unit goes up, does the price per unit go up? तो कैसी बात कर रहे हो दोनों सेम ही तो ठीक है तो yes,
कुछ आया.
they have a +1 relationship because if the price per unit goes up, the price per unit goes up. Obviously.
कुछ आया कि हाँ भैया ये बंद.
If the unit sold go up,
वीडियो
Does the
क्रिएटर
unit sold
नवंबर
go
का
up?
न्यूज़ चला रहा है.
तो फिर कैसी बात कर रहे हो?
नवंबर क्रिएटर.
If the total sales go up, does the total sales go up?
कोई ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है.
If the operating profit goes up, does
फेक
the operating
है.
profit go up? That is why the diagonal numbers are.
इनविटेशन.
That is why the diagonal numbers are. Everybody clear with the diagonal numbers? But these are useless. Useless. One but useless. Let us focus on some other.
Hi.
Maybe this 0.92.
आज देखो मेरी बीवी मेरी
If
सेवा
the
कर रही
total
है.
sales go up, the unit sold
बहुत अच्छा
also
होता है.
go up very strong. Not +1 but 0.9, quite close to 1. So this is telling me that if the unit sold go up, the total sales go up. कहीं ज़्यादा माल बिकेगा, if the unit sold is more, तो total sales भी ज़्यादा होगी. That is why this number is 0.9. If total sales go up, the units sold go up. If units sold go up, the total sales. Make sense? Same is this. If total sales go up, operating profit goes up. 0.94 का relationship, बहुत strong, बहुत strong. Total sales go up, operating profit goes up. इन दोनों के बीच में 0.27 का relationship. Price per unit goes up, तो unit sold कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता. Right? ऐसे ही करके इस पूरी grid में total 16 minus 4 इतनी information. 16 ग्रिड्स है, बट उनसे 4 यूजलेस. तो टोटल 12 पीसेस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है यहाँ पे. हर नंबर आपको दो चीजों के बीच की एक स्टोरी बता. दिस इज व्हाट इज कोरिलेशन मैट्रिक्स. हाईली यूजफुल एंड नाउ यू नो हाउ टू यूज. आर यू क्लियर विद द कोरिलेशन मैट्रिक्स? एवरीबॉडी. सुपर इंटरेस्टिंग, राइट? वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ग्रेट. So this completes our discussion of Python visualization, folks. I hope you really enjoyed today's session. We covered lots of interesting things. Began from very simple graphs, slowly move forward. I am going to share a survey of this.